Hello, my awesome accounting students. One question that comes up every semester is, how do I watch a recorded lecture? If you weren't able to turn into the live Zoom lecture, you can watch the recorded lecture. To access the recorded lectures, click the Confer Zoom link in the Canvas course shell. Although my screen looks a little bit different, you are looking for the icon that says Event Recordings. Click on it. You will see a list of the recordings by date and time. You can view the recordings of the date in question. And Zoom is typically slow the first week. And then you can take a look at your files. The one that I believe is the one you want to download is the first streaming MP4 file. That will contain the lecture as well as the chat in detail. If you have any questions, reach out for assistance. Professor Johnson, signing out.